It is chilly. Very, very chilly.
This place is beautiful. I don't want to leave, but the heater in my camper doesn't work. All right, even though it has warmed up a little bit, it's still pretty effing chilly.
All right, Timberline Trail number 1495. I'm gonna take this one. Power lines glistening in the sun. I took my mountain bike up on Mount Albert a few weeks ago, and kind of a trail like this, and my tire got hung up on a rock. I went over the handlebars, landed in the middle of a rock garden, and really hurt myself. Couldn't do anything for a couple days.